Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for a clash of titans where two powerhouses collide on the court tonight. It's the Bisca Spartans versus the CSPC Blue Stallions, a battle in the seniors division. All right, battle in the seniors division where strength and speed meet, and this battle is matters or nagmamatter dito sa ating battle ang every second. Good evening, Bicolania. Welcome to another thrilling match here in Bukal Season 6 action. I am Jasper Abante and alongside me is Mark Amante. And live na live tayo ngayon dito sa Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium. And we are excited to bring you all the live actions, the excitement, and the drama ngayong araw dito sa ating hardcourt.
And we are live also, Jasper, sa ating Bukal and Oragon Sports TV Facebook pages. Makikita natin ngayon ang bakbakan sa pagitan ng Bisca Spartans at CSPC Blue Stallions. Ano nga ba kayo mga opensa, depensa at strategy ang gagawin ng ating CSPC at Bisca Spartans for this game, Jasper?
Alright, Mark, so let's see if the Bisca Spartans will secure their first win this season, and let's see then if the CSPC Blue Stallions will secure their second win this season. Ayan, kung maaalala natin, the CSPC got their first win last Sunday with a 30 points lead against the STI Olympians. Ayan, yung itinakdang best player of the game noon ay walang iba kundi si Felix Andrew Diang. So, abangan natin siya this game kung ano yung ipapakita niya since siya yung itinanghal or siya yung naging best player of the game last game nitong CSPC Blue Stallions kontra sa STI Olympians. And of course, ito naman nating Biscast Spartans, natalo sila dun sa kanilang first game against dun sa Mariners Blue Dolphins last Friday with 89-76 score on that game. Ngayon naman humingi tayo ng update sa ating courtside reporter na si Zai all the way from the side of the Biscast Spartans. Ayan, Zai, anong update natin dyan?
Magandang araw, Mark and Jasper, at magandang araw din to our viewers here on Bukal's Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. At nga para nga sa larong ito, ako si Shula Marzai Meñano ang maghahatid ng balita from the sides of the Spartans. Since maulan-ulan nga sa labas ng court, pero di natin ramdam ito sa loob dito sa Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium as we witness both of these kupunan kung paano nila pinagpreparan ang Season 6. Kaya naman, Coach mentioned earlier they will increase their defense for their second game and never lose this game. That's all the updates I have for now. Back to the panel.
All right, thank you so much, Zai, for that update all the way from the side of the Bisca Spartans. So let's see kung ano yung in-increase nila or kung ano yung kanilang in-adjust pagdating sa kanilang defense. And yun na nga, abangan din natin itong ating Bisca Spartans on how they will secure, if they will win this battle, how they will secure their first win this season.
And now, partner, hingi naman tayo ng update sa side ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. We have Amanda there on the side. Amanda, what's the update?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. We are now in the third week of Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 6. Live here at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium, the battle between the CSPC Blue Stallions and the Biscas. So now, this is Amanda Lazaro, the resident courtside reporter all the way from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges that will bring you the hottest courtside actions. This game is something that the Stallions has prepared for. According to Coach Peter, ay kabracket nila sa squaa ang Bisca Spartans, kaya naman mas pinag-igihan nila ang kanilang ensayo para sa larong ito. Also, Coach Adonis added that the Stallions adjusted their offense and defense so that they can execute well their game plan. Aabangan natin ang mas pinasipag na players from the Blue Stallions at handang-handa na sila to get the game. Yan lamang updates mula dito. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that update from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Parang hindi pa rin nakaka-move on si Amanda dun sa ating last commentator, Rick and Tin, ang ating commentator for that battle of the ACL Seahawks and the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Well, no problem with that. Ayan ang report sa atin ni Amanda ay sabi ni Coach Peter, talagang pinaghandaan nila itong Biscas Spartans dahil kabracket daw nila ito sa SCUAA. And of course, dagdag rin ni Coach Adonis of the CSPC Blue Stallions ay in-adjust nila dito yung kanilang opensa at depensa. And of course, para sila ay makapag-stick sa kanilang game plan and aabangan natin yung mga sipag or kung ano yung ipapakita sa atin ng mga new players nitong CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan, at kita nga natin dito sa unang arangkada ng ating first quarter, 3 points lead. 1 point rather. 1 point ang hawak ngayon ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Titingnan natin kung ano yung pinaghanda or ano yung ihinihanda ng dalawang teams na ito para sa atin for this last game of the day.
And now, partner Jasper, we are on the first quarter of the match between CSPC and Biscas Spartans. 8-7 po ang ating nasa talaan. 1 point lead po ang ating CSPC's Blue Stallions. And now, ball possession ng ating Stallions. And that's good. That's an additional 2 points to the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Mid-range jumper by jersey number 22. That's good for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan na Mark, kung nakikita natin dito sa ating venue, di Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium, kakaunti dito yung fans or yung crowd ng CSPC Blue Stallions all the way from the 5th District of Camarines Sur. Ayan, all the way from Nabwa. And as we can see here dito sa ating side ng Biscas Spartans, well, kakaunti din sila. Pero for sure, Mark, nanonood sila sa ating live coverage. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo. And of course, let's see here kung ano yung inihanda nga talaga ng dalawang teams na ito. Now, back-to-back points of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Titingnan natin kung ano yung magiging bawi dito ng Biscas Spartans. Now.
And now, ball possession ng ating Biscas Spartans. Ano kayang gagawing strategy? Alpe. Whistle from our referee.
Foul. Jersey number 15 of the CSPC Blue Stallions, Christian J. Nohara from the Blue Stallions. Now, jersey number 2 from the Spartans to inbound. Now, Alpe looking for a good pass here on the outside now.
Nakita natin ngayon Jasper, ang communication na pinapakita ng CSPC at ng Biscas sa unang quarter pa lang ng ating laban. And that's good for the CSPC Blue Stallions. 49 na po ang ating score.
Nakabawi doon ng si Nohara. Agad siyang nakabawi doon sa foul na nakomit niya. Pero sabi niya, babawi siya for his team. 2 points ang naidagdag sa kanilang talaan.
And nagpalit ng Magic 5 ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan, bagong 5 player mula sa Blue Stallions ang aarangkada sa first quarter. Now, let's see kung ano ang magiging contribution nila sa score sa kalamangan ng ating Blue Stallions. Now, ball possession ng ating Blue Stallions.
Now Diang is in for the CSPC Blue Stallions. No good on that attempt by Diang. Now, out of bounds as the same ball possession for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Diang to inbound. Masyadong matunog yung pangalan nito ni Diang nung last game nila with the STI Olympians. Pero let's see ngayon kung ano yung inihanda niya para sa ating mga viewers. And syempre para sa atin. Out of bounds as the Biscas Spartans.
Now, ball possession pa rin, Jasper, ng ating Blue Stallions. As of the moment, we have 49 on our scoreboard with 5 minutes and 26 remaining on our first quarter.
Ayan, at that's good for 2 points by jersey number 24 of the CSPC Blue Stallions, John Paul Correa. Now, still here by Andrew Diang, nagmamadali on the front court, and that's good for 2 points by Felix Andrew Diang.
Grabe, nagpapasiglab na agad si Diang from the Blue Stallions on the first quarter pa lang ng ating laban na Jasper.
Ayan at tinawagan dito ng blocking foul si jersey number 55 of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Now, ball possession ng ating Bisca Spartans. Merillas to inbound. Ano kaya magiging strategy ng ating mga Spartan players para makahabol sa kalamangan ng CSPC?
Now back-to-back ball possession of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now a chance for them. Now Diang passes to jersey number 24 for the 3, no good. And the defensive rebound here by jersey number 13 of the Bisca Spartans. Now on the corner. Now Bosito for the 3, no good.
Talagang naghahanap partner ng strategy ang ating Bisca Spartans para makahabol sa kalamangan ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions as of the moment.
Ayan, siyam na po ang kalamangan dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions dito sa ating 4-minute and 20-second mark of our first quarter. So let's see kung paano babawi dito ang ating Spartans. Now, on that corner 3, no good. And the second chance, no good. Third chance by jersey number 12. And that's good for 2 points para naman sa ating Bisca Spartans.
And now, ball possession ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Grabe yung depensang ipinapakita ng ating mga Spartan players. A steal! And another steal. Back-to-back steal from both teams. And that's good. That's good for the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Courtesy again by Felix Andrew Diang of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Hinintay niya munang tumalon yung bantay niya bago niya ipinasok yung 2 points layup niya.
That's a good offense sa parte ng CSPC Blue Stallions. And nagkaroon din ng 2 points ang ating Bisca Spartans on that moment.
Jersey number 24 fires for the 3. And that's good for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Well, kanina, maagang nakabawi yung ating Bisca Spartans dun sa 2 points ni Diang. Now, let's see kung makakabawi din sila dito sa sequence na ito. Now, that's a offensive foul for jersey number 27 of the Bisca Spartans.
And now, batiin muna natin, Jasper, ang ating mga nanonood online. Hello sa ating mga viewers. Hello kay Sean Robert Perfinan, Zane Cortez, Charles Belen, John Vincent Zarcauga, Manny Huertas, Jomar San Antonio, Angelo Noblesa, and Marla Janine. Thank you so much po for watching Bukal Season 6 only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Alright, another points ang binigay ng jersey number 24 for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, let's see. A double dribble violation ang itinawag dito kay jersey number 12 of the Bisca Spartans.
That is Merillas. And nagpatawag ng timeout ang Bisca Spartans, partner.
Well, Mark, good chance for them to stop the momentum. Of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Well, as we can see here dito sa ating scoreboard, we are in a penalty situation na on both sides, the CSPC and the Biscas. And let's see kung ano yung gagawin nitong Bisca Spartans for them to retrieve the lead of the CSPC Blue Stallions. And titingnan din natin kung magti-take advantage dito yung CSPC Blue Stallions sa ginawang timeout ng Spartans. Well, let's see if they will take the advantage on this timeout para ipagpatuloy yung kanilang game plan and to execute it very well.
At mahaba-haba pa, Jasper, ang 2 minutes and 29 sa ating first quarter. Marami pang mangyayari. Di natin alam. The CSPC Blue Stallions and the Bisca Spartans surely have their plans, their strategies to win this game.
No good on that attempt by Diang. Now, jersey number 4 of the Bisca Spartans looking here for a good pass. Now, Rosito drives to the inside, no good. And naghabulan na nga dito ng bola. Same ball possession for the Bisca Spartans.
And now, ball possession ng ating Bisca Spartans. Grabe yung pinapakitang communication ng ating mga Spartan players on the hard court.
3 seconds to shoot. No good on that attempt by jersey number 27 of the Spartans. Let's see here. Mahigpit yung depensa mark nitong CSPC Blue Stallions. Naubusan doon ng shot clock itong Bisca Spartans. Pero agad namang dumagdag ng puntos doon si Andrew Diang of the CSPC Blue Stallions. 2 points.
Grabe yung tulong ni Diang from the Blue Stallions sa kanyang team sa CSPC. Malaki ang kanyang tulong para sa kanilang team.
Ayun at nag-commit dito ng foul. Shooting foul si jersey number 4 of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Kaya naman magkakaroon dito ng 2 free throws. Si jersey number 4 din of the Bisca Spartans, Bosito, for his first attempt. No good. 3 points play opportunity pala yun for the Spartans. Now, libreng-libre, jersey number 13 of the Blue Stallions.
Grabe. Kahit na may depensa yung ating Bisca Spartans doon, no, partner. Grabe. As in, you should take the challenge. You should face the fear of that defense para makapuntos dito sa ating laro.
Well, as we can see, Mark, hindi nagdadalawang isip na tumira itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions, which is a good momentum for them. Kaya nananatili yung kanilang momentum on their side. Now, titingnan natin kung anong ganti ang gagawin. No good on that attempt. No good on that ganti. Now, jersey number 35 to 13 on the corner. No good on that 3-point shot and a offensive rebound that's still here by jersey number 13. Now, Spartans are still here by Diang.
It's a back-to-back steal from both teams.
Wow,
And
napakagandang
that's no
spin.
good.
Sayang nung opportunity dito ni Diang. Hindi pumasok yung kanyang layup doon. Pero same ball possession pa rin. Mapupunta pa rin sa CSPC Blue Stallions ang bola.
Now, nagpalit ng Magic 5 partner, ng Magic 5 players ang ating Bisca Spartans. And
That's good
that's
for
good.
that 3 points by
Wow.
jersey number 13. Jason Cornelio of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan. Jersey number 7 with that blocking foul. Ayan. Andrew Diang. 14 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter with that 17 points lead of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Grabe yung pinapakitang lakas ng ating both teams, lalong-lalo na ating CSPC Blue Stallions, especially on their defense and offense. Sabi mo nga kanina, Jasper, hindi nila inuurungan yung challenge. As in, kahit na may depensa ang ating Bisca Stallions, talagang umaarangkada sila para makapuntos sa ating laro ngayong gabi.
Out of bounds as the Bisca Spartans will take the ball possession. 8 seconds na lamang ang natitira sa ating first quarter. Now, 5 seconds to shoot. Now, jersey number 7 to 17. Now, steal by the Bisca Spartans and no good for that. Not, hindi na yan counted on that shot dahil naubusan na ng oras itong ating Spartans. And that's the end of our first quarter. 16-32 in favor of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And now we're back here at the hard court of Adno Gymnasium sa tapatan ng CSPC Blue Stallions at Biscas Spartans. We are on the second quarter. 32-16 po ang ating nasa talaan. Lamang na lamang po ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions, Jasper.
16 points lead of the CSPC Blue Stallions on that first quarter. Now let's see if they will continue their momentum dito sa ating second quarter or makakabawi itong ating Spartans dito sa ating second quarter. Now, let's see din kung ano yung ginawang adjustments dito ng both teams to keep the momentum of the CSPC Blue Stallions and of course para makabawi itong ating Blue Stallions. Now,
back to the ball game tayo, Jasper. Now a whistle was called to jersey number 11. Now ball possession ng ating Biscas Spartans.
now jersey number 19 pushes to the inside. No good on that attempt. And out of bounds as the Biscas Spartans will take the ball possession. Wala pang nakakapuntos dito sa ating unang arangkada ng second quarter. Now Del Valle, double team here. And kick ball violation. Kick ball violation ang itinawag dito kay Del Valle of the Biscas Spartans. Ayun, mapupunta ang bola on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Grabe yung depensa talaga, partner, ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. At para makahingi tayo ng update mula sa Biscas Spartans, we have our courtside reporter, Zai. Zai, what's the update?
Mark and Jasper, para nga sa updates for this second quarter, the Spartans are doing their best to box out and focus on their main goal. Hinahanap pa nila ang kanilang momentum para sa second quarter, but they're doing their best to score as much point as they can because this game will be the reflection of their connection. They're giving it their 100%, kaya abangan natin kung ano pa ba ang kanilang gagawin for this second quarter. Mark and Jasper, balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Zai, for that update. On the side of the Biscas Spartans, ayan, they are doing their best. Ika nga ng ating courtside reporter. And yun pala, kaya naman pala, Mark, ay hinahanap pa dito ng Biscas Spartans yung kanilang momentum. Well, kanina nga yung ating yung bakbakan ng STI Junior Olympians and the Genesis Roaring Lions. Nagmomentum lang yung Genesis Roaring Lions on the fourth and last quarter and nakuha pa nila doon yung panalo. So let's see kung ganun din yung mangyayari dito sa ating laban ng CSPC and the Biscas Spartans. Now, on the other hand, nandyan rin ang ating courtside reporter all the way from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions para bigyan tayo ng update. Alright, Amanda, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Mark and Jasper. Nakita nga natin ang preparation ng Stallions for this game. From their offense and pressure, ay ramdam nga natin na mainit ang Stallions para makuha ang larong ito. Coach Peter continued to remind the players to push and corner the opponents. Also, the Stallions are having an efficient offensive game plan and converting each movement to their score. This will be their second win for the season. Yan ang pinanghahawakan ng Stallions, kaya naman tutok lang para sa maiinit na balita. Yan lamang updates mula dito. Balik sa inyo, Mark and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Amanda, for that update. Para naman sa side ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Wow, Mark, nakamove on na siya dun sa last game. Mark and Jasper ng kanyang report. And nakikita nga natin na mainit itong CSPC Blue Stallions. They are eager to clinch this battle so that they can get their second win of the season. And yun nga ika nga ni Coach Peter of the CSPC Blue Stallions. They need to push and corner the opponents for them to continue their momentum in this second quarter. And of course, kailangan nilang i-secure yung kanilang shot with the points and para ma-convert nila yung kanilang mga ball possession sa points.
And let's see kung yung momentum na yan ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions at Biscas Spartans ay makikita natin on the second quarter. Now, back to the ball game. Del Valle nagmamadali.
Maraming bantay dito sa Del Valle. Now, jersey number 11 to Del Valle, jersey number 2. Now, 18 on the corner. 18 pushes to the inside. No hesitation. No good on that attempt.
Grabe yung bantay ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions sa ating Biscas Spartans. Now, ball possession ng ating Blue Stallions. And that's good from jersey number 14.
Libreng-libre doon si Pedro Velitario. Dumaan siya doon sa likod. And now, Jersey number 23 with that steal. Now, jersey number 15. No good. Follow up by jersey number 23 and that's good for 2 points. Ang kanilang second chance. That is courtesy of Ronald Labalan of the CSPC Stallions. Now,
At gusto rin makabawi ng ating Bisca Spartans partner on the second quarter kasi medyo nauungusan na sila ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. 41-16 po ang ating nasa talaan. Naunguna pa rin po at nalamang ang ating Blue Stallions.
grabe yun. Magandang last sequence yun. No? Dumaan sa likod with that back dribble and he shoot that for 2 points and agad namang nakabawi dito si jersey number 7 of the Bisca Spartans for the 3 points.
Narinig ata tayo na they need to offense and strategize quickly on this match now. Grabe, back-to-back steal from the CSPC and Biscas.
Now jersey number 14, no good on that 3 points attempt.
Now, ball possession. Alpe. And a whistle coming from our official.
Mukhang makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws. Jersey number 14, pushing foul. And 2 free throws nga ang igagawa dito kay Benito, jersey number 18 of the Bisca Spartans. 6 minutes and 13 seconds remaining dito sa ating game clock. Malaki yung kalamangan dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions, 24 points.
Kaya kailangan trabahuhin ng ating Bisca Spartans ang kalamangan ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions on this quarter.
Second quarter pa lang pero I think kailangan na ditong mag-double effort nitong Bisca Spartans for them to retrieve the lead of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, ball possession of the Blue Stallions. Jersey number 15. Nohara. Now, to jersey number 19 with that foul. Jersey number 4, hand check. Ayan, at mananatili ang bola on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Kailangan dapat konti na lang partner ang maging fouls ng ating Bisca Spartans para makahabol sa kalamangan nila sa CSPC Blue Stallions. And now, Alpe, libreng-libre, no good.
Pero may kasabay na whistle. Shooting foul by jersey number 22 of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Ang lakas ng depensa ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayaw magpatalo, ayaw malamangan ng ating Bisca Spartans. Now, Alpe on our free throw line. No good.
Ayan, Mark, at sa puntong ito, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and of course, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. And of course, nandyan din ng Naga College Foundation, Gold Glofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and of course ang ating coverage is powered by Converge FiberX by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Special thanks also to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, and of course the Digital Graphics. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta dito sa Bukal.
Thank you so much po for supporting Bukal Season 6. Now, back to the ball game. CSPC's ball possession. 45-24 na tayo ngayon, partner. Grabe yung last sequence. Binigyan tayo ng CSPC ng 2 puntos. But a whistle coming from our official was given on the side of the Biscas Spartans.
Ayan, as we can see, jersey number 15 is down on the floor. That is Nohara from the Blue Stallions. Now let's see dito sa ating replay
Of what happened on that moment. Here's
jersey number 15 to 19 pushes to the inside and shoot for the 2 points, no good. And the rebound dito ng ni jersey number 4. And ayun, 2 free throws ang igagawad dito kay jersey number 13, Jason Cornelio.
And no good. Kami pinabitin pa tayo nung bola na yun, partner.
Kala ko nga din papasok na yung bola. Nagdalawang isipan, lumabas tuloy. So let's see here dito sa kanyang second attempt. Ayun, malinaw. Pasok na pasok ang second attempt by Cornelio. Now,
Biscas ball possession. But a whistle coming from our referee. Binigyan niya ng foul si jersey number 19 from the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, ball possession again ng ating Biscas Spartans.
now, double team dun si jersey number 4 pero jersey number 24 pushes to the inside. Now to 13. Jersey number 13 to Bosito on the outside. Now on that corner. No good on that 3 points attempt. And out of bounds as the same ball possession for the Biscas Spartans. 4 minutes and 31 seconds ang natitirang oras dito sa ating dito sa ating second quarter.
Medyo mababa pa yan, Jasper. Marami pang mangyayari. So 4 minutes and 29 na natitira on our second quarter.
Gandang block doon by jersey number 14. That is the Velitario of the Blue Stallions. Now jersey number 35. Now 22-13 on the corner. And that's good for the 3 points by Jason Cornelio of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now,
Grabe. Yung momentum, partner, ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions ay nandito na sa second quarter. Pinapakita na talaga nila ang kanilang lakas, ang kanilang strength, ang kanilang stamina on our game now.
no good on that attempt by jersey number 35.
Now, Biscas ball possession.
Belgica, jersey number 35 of the Blue Stallions. Now, jersey number 22, good coordination. Jersey number 19 got that 2 points
Ang
dahil dun
gandang-
sa assist.
Ang gandang communication ng ginawa ni jersey number 22 at ni jersey number 19 from the CSPC Blue Stallions.
That is assist by Maglapid.
And now, aiming again for a point. 2 points will be added to the CSPC Blue Stallions. 53-24 na po ang nasa talaan natin with exactly 3 minutes remaining on our second quarter.
Now, Bosito looking for a good pass. Hindi pa dito nagkakaroon ng magandang bawi itong Spartans. Pero yun na. Magandang bawi na yun para sa kanila. 2 points. Pakunti-kunti. They can retrieve the lead of the CSPC Blue Stallions dito sa ating second quarter. Now, jersey number 22, no hesitation. Puts up no good.
Now, Biscas Spartans ball. We have Bosito. Grabe ang gwardya ng CSPC Blue Stallions.
Foul here. Holding foul by Maglapid of the Blue Stallions. Now,
There's a couple of substitutions na nangyari sa moment na yan. Partner from both teams.
warning for penalty situation na itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions dito sa ating natitirang 2 minutes and 22 seconds of the second quarter. Now, Del Valle on the outside. Long three, no good. Now,
CSPC Blue Stallions ball.
Felix Sandro Diang is in for the Blue Stallions. Now, on that three.
No good.
No good on his attempt. Now, jersey number 2, Del
Del
Valle.
Valle.
Now, Del Valle mid-range. No good on that shot. And the rebound here by Diang. Now, jersey number 13 on that outside. No good on that attempt. And the whistle. Mapupunta ang bola sa side ng Biscas Spartans. Pushing foul by jersey number 14 of the Blue Stallions. That is Velitario.
At sabi mo kanina, partner, malapit na mag-penalty ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions. At this moment, penalty situation na po ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions on our 1 minute and 48 remaining on our second quarter. 53-26 po ang ating nasa talaan.
Alright. So let's see here. Sa second attempt by Padua, Besca Spartans. No good on the
good.
second attempt. Pero offensive rebound by the Spartans. And that's good for the 2 points. Grabe. Na-convert pa nila yung 2 free throws nila sa talagang 2 points. Layup. Now, Diang for the Blue Stallions. Jersey number 7. Now, goes to the inside. Walang sumabay. And that's good for Diang of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Patuloy na nadadagdagan yung puntos dito ng Blue Stallions. Now, Diang again on that inside. And
that's
another
good.
back-to-back points by
Wow.
Andrew Diang. And ito pa. Grabe, Mark. Now, no good on that 3 points by jersey number 13.
Grabe yung communication na pinapakita ngayon ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions on their second quarter. And that's no good on the side of the Besca Spartans now. Ball possession ulit ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Pero traveling violation ang ibinigay kay jersey number 35. And
Traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Alright. Grabe yun. Back-to-back points by Diang for the Blue Stallions. Nakabawi naman dito yung Besca Spartans. Now Galang, jersey number 27, passes to 13 on that 3 points. No good. Now jersey number 24. Correa passes to jersey number 13, Cornelio. To Diang. Now Diang nagdadala ng bola.
grabe yung contribution ni Diang sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Their great communication is already seen. Ay nakikita na ngayon sa CSPC Blue Stallions. And that adds them 2 points on their score. 59-28 na po ang ating nasa talaan. With 10 seconds remaining on our second quarter.
Nagmamadali Cornelio for that 2 points. That's good for the CSPC Blue Stallions now. 2 seconds.
And that ends our first half ng ating laro, partner. 61-28 po ang ating nasa talaan. Lamang na lamang po ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Diyan lamang po kayo. Magbabalik po kayo for the second half of our game. Dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. back here sa Adna Gymnasium para sa laban ng CSPC Blue Stallions at Visca Spartans. 61-28 po ang ating nasa talaan bago tayo magtapos ng first half ng ating laban. We are on the third quarter, Jasper, of the battle between CSPC and Viscas.
Grabe yung kalamangan dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions dun sa ating nagdaan na first half. So let's see, kayang-kaya pa ito ng Visca Spartans dahil 2 quarters lamang itong trinabaho ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. So they had a big chance here na makabawi. Now,
and according Jasper sa ating halftime analysis, medyo mataas ng 2 puntos ang defensive rebounds ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions with 17, unlike sa Viscas na 15 lamang ang kanilang defensive rebounds. On the other hand, medyo mataas ng 2 din, Jasper, ang offensive rebound ng ating Viscas Spartans with 7, unlike sa CSPC Blue Stallions with 5 only. Kaya dapat talagang bumawi ng ating Viscas Spartans with our quarter.
35 points ang hawak na kalamangan ng CSPC Blue Stallions dito sa ating third quarter. And speaking of the CSPC Blue Stallions, ready na ang ating courtside reporter na si Amanda para bigyan tayo ng update of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan, Amanda, what's your update?
Thank you, Mark and Jasper, and that was the end of the first half of the game. The Stallions are continuing dominating hard gameplay against the Viscas Spartans. Nagpakita nga ng mga gandang galawan ang team captain na si Laiko sa loob ng hardcourt. In the middle of the game, the Blue Stallions gain an almost 20 points lead against the Spartans, and that pushes them to dig more for this game. They continue showing up and their advantage and leveling up their defense against the Viscas Spartans. Will the Stallions make it to the second half? Let's wait and witness, so stay tuned. That's it for now. This is Amanda. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that update for the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayun na, at nakita naman natin yung hard gameplay na ginawa ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions dun sa ating second quarter. And let's see if they will continue to be aggressive in the second half. And nakikita talaga natin, Mark, na these Stallions are continuing to show up dito sa ating ball game. And 36 points na nga yung lamang na hawak nila. Dinagdagan pa yan ng 2 puntos. 38 points ang hawak na kalamangan ng CSPC Blue Stallions. While on the other hand, the Visca Spartans, ready na rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai to give us an update. Alright, so Zai, what's your update?
Mark and Jasper, para nga sa third quarter and the updates from the side of the Spartans, adjusting as much as they can. They only have the last 2 half to turn this game around. Huwag sayangin ang bola. Yan ang paalala ni Coach during their halftime break. Expect them to focus on their man-ball approach, reflecting on the players and selecting the players who have great agility. So let's expect them to have a much more fast-paced game during this third quarter. Yan lamang updates dito sa side ng Spartans. Back to you, Mark and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Zai, for that update on the side of the Visca Spartans. Ayan, at nag-a-adjust nga itong ating Visca Spartans dito sa ating game hall, pero yun na nga, they are adjusting as much as they can. And syempre, ika nga ng kanilang coach, huwag sayangin ang opportunity pag hawak na nila ang bola. And they need to exert double effort na dito sa ating second half dahil masyadong malaki ang lamang ng CSPC Blue Stallions, and they need to focus, they need to reflect on their actions. Now, nakikita natin na fast-facing itong dalawang teams na ito, and let's see kung paano sila babawi dito sa ating second half.
And shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga viewers. Hello kay Chen Shaira Nicolas here on our Adno Gymnasium. Thank you so much for watching. And also, partner,
nandyan rin si Sir James Gabarda of One Media TV 48 Naga. Siyempre si Sir Kim Monteroso, ang ating poging cameraman. Napakasipag na cameraman. And ang nag-iisang Pia Recto ng Oragon Sports TV. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo and happy viewing.
And happy viewing din, partner, kay sa ating isa sa mga courtside reporters natin, si Kyla Casulia at si Alyssa Faith Respeto. Thank you so much for watching.
Ayan, syempre, i-commend din natin na partner yung ating media partners. We have One Media TV, 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, headed by station manager Jermin Jacob and our technical director, Sir Engineer RJ Rebidorial, and of course, our production administrator, napakaganda, Ma'am Irene Tosok. Maraming salamat po.
Walang makakatalo sa ganda ni Ma'am Irene. Ayan. Thank you so much po
Talaga
for
naman.
viewing.
Of course. Now, back to the ball game.
And now back to the ball game. CSPC's ball possession.
There's a whistle here. Now, Bisca Spartans, jersey number 18. Double team here. Now, Alpe.
They need to double time here on this quarter. Colliantes. And that's a good 2-point layup from jersey number 44, Colliantes from the Biscast.
Now, jersey number 35, Belgica. To jersey number 20 on the outside. Now to jersey number 19, Niangar. No good on that attempt, and the defensive rebound here by the Spartans. Now, jersey number 4, Bosito. Pushes to the inside with that bantay sarado. Now, jersey number 13, libreng-libre, Velitario. No good on that attempt, pero may pahabol dyan. Si Belgica. Napakagandang follow-up shot by Belgica. Libreng-libre. 2 points ang naidagdag sa scoreboard ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Now,
Kahit pa unti-unti, Jasper, ang inaarangkada ng ating Bisca Spartans, at least may improvement sa kanilang score on this quarter. So we have 70-35 on our scoreboard. Lamang po ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions on this quarter.
35 points yung kalamangan dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions. 5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. And that's good for that first attempt by Benito on the free throw line. Well, magandang opportunity din ito for the Bisca Spartans na maibaba yung kalamangan dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions, yung kanilang opportunity dito sa free throw. Ayan, at warning for penalty situation na naman tayo dito sa CSPC Blue Stallions for their fourth team fouls. Now, di ang nagmamadali to Belgica. Belgica double team here. Now to jersey number 19.
Kailangan lakasan, partner ng ating Bisca Spartans, ang depensa nila kontra sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Now,
Belgica standing on the free throw line for his free throw now. That's good for the CSPC Blue Stallions. 3 points play opportunity for Belgica of the Stallions. Now,
walang iniiwan ni isang puntos ang CSPC Blue Stallions sa larong ito. We have 73-37 on our scoreboard. Grabe na, partner, ang kalamangan ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. At talagang pinapakita pa rin nila na sila ay lamang dito sa larong ito. Padua, that's good from the Bisca Spartans.
2 points
Grabe.
naman ang ibinawas ni Padua sa kalamangan ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, Diang passes to jersey number 19, Niangar. Pushes to the inside, no good. And a defensive rebound by jersey number 17. Ball possession of the Bisca Spartans, of the CSPC Stallions rather.
Because of that out of bounds ball. Now, ball possession ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Ano kaya magiging communication strategy nila for this moment? Lumalakas ang depensa ng ating Bisca Spartans, pero naisahan sila ng isang player ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions.
That's good team coordination for the Bisca Spartans. Merillas with 2 points. Napakagandang coordination. Well, if they maintain this kind of gameplay, kaya nilang makabawi dito sa kalamangan ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Pero agad na, may sagot kasi agad yung ating CSPC Blue Stallions sa puntos na nagagawa ng Bisca Spartans. Now, for that 3, no good on that attempt. And the follow-up shot by jersey number 4, Bosito, for the Bisca Spartans. Napakagandang gameplay na ipinapakita na dito. Napakagandang bawi for the Bisca Spartans. Ayan.
Nandito na ata ang Bisca Spartans sa momentum. Umiinit na, umi-intense na ang kanilang pakiramdam para makabawi, para makahabol dito sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions.
Ayan, 3 minutes and 22 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Belgica to inbound now to jersey number 24 of the CSPC Blue Stallions. To jersey number 23 pushes to the inside. And whistle here. Quick turnover for the Bisca Spartans now. Bosito back to jersey number 12 to Beringuela. Pushes to the inside, no hesitation, and that's good for 2 points. Ayan, back-to-back points na ang hinatid sa atin ng Bisca Spartans. Now,
Grabe na ang pinapakita, partner, ng ating Bisca Spartans on this third quarter. 77-45 na po ang ating nasa talaan.
pero ayun na nga, Mark may sagot agad itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan at 3 points play opportunity for Belgica since nakapasok yung kanyang layup doon for 2 points. And a free throw here. And that's good. Mataas din yung free throw efficiency nitong CSPC Blue Stallions. Kaya talagang walang nasasayang na puntos. Walang nasasayang na shots for the CSPC Stallions. Now, still here by jersey number 13. Now, Diang on the outside. To Belgica again on the 3-point shot. No good on that attempt. And a defensive rebound by Bosito.
Grabe, ayaw talagang magpalamang ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions on this quarter dahil gusto nila na maiuwi ang panalo for this evening's game.
This will be their second win if ever manalo sila on this battle. And wala pa silang talo dito sa Seniors Division, dito sa ating bagong season. And Padua with that 2 free throws. That's good for his first attempt.
Now for the second attempt. At this moment, partner, nasa penalty situation na naman ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Kaya kailangan nilang mag-ingat when it comes to their violations.
Now, still here by the Spartans. Bosito na naman ang nagdadala ng bola. Now, a whistle here. Jersey number 23 pushing foul. The ball will stay on the side of the Bisca Spartans. 2 minutes and 1 second ang natitira dito sa ating third quarter.
And now on the free throw line, we have jersey number 4 from the Bisca Spartans.
Penalty situation na itong CSPC Blue Stallions, kaya yung kanilang fouls dito ay mako-convert sa free throws. 2 free throws for the Bisca Spartans. No good on that first attempt by Bosito. Now let's see for his second attempt, and that's good.
Now ball possession ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions.
Belgica on the outside. Now, Belgica to Diang. Now, pushes to the inside. No good. And defensive rebound by jersey number 12.
Sinusuong talaga, partner ni Diang, ang depensa ng Bisca Spartans. Wala siyang takot, no?
Wala siyang pakialam, Mark, kung may bantay o wala Ang goal niya talaga ay ipasok or ishoot yung bola. And a whistle here. Offensive foul by Diang of the CSPC Blue Stallions. 2 free throws again for the Bisca Spartans. Well, good opportunity for the Bisca Spartans na ibaba yung kalamangan dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions, and no free throws pala dito. Ayan at
As of the moment, partner, 33-point lead na ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Grabe. 33 points ang kailangang habulin ng ating Bisca Spartans at this moment.
so let's see here dahil medyo nagkagirian doon si dito sa ating replay. Let's see. Jersey number 13 and jersey number 24 of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Medyo nagka-elbow motion doon itong si jersey number 13. Kaya naman agad na sinagot doon ang aksyon ni jersey number 24. And ayun na nga, tinawagan sila dito ng technical foul. I think, let's see again. Ayan, at magpapatuloy tayo dito sa ating ball game. Ball possession of the Bisca Spartans.
Now, pareho na partner na ang Biscas at ang CSPC ay nasa penalty situation on the third quarter. Kaya kailangan na nilang mag-ingat.
Now, Diang for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Looking for a good pass here.
Now, we have jersey number 7 to 24. And that's a good 3-point shot. That will add 3 points, partner, sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions, 83-47.
Now, 55 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Now, Beringuela pushes to the inside with traveling violation ang itinawag dito ng ating referee. Well, Mark, more fun traveling with Nagayon Travel and Tours, isa sa ating mga sponsors.
Thank you so much po. And now, ball possession ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions.
Now, jersey number 24, no good, pero follow up. Itinulak niya lang yung bola pataas para talagang siguradong makapasok dun sa basket, and that's good for 2 points. Now, back-to-back steal by the Stallions. That's good for another 2 points by jersey number 13, Velit Cornelio.
And now, Bisca Spartans ball. Beringuela.
Now, out of bounds as the Bisca Spartans will take the ball possession. 5 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter.
Grabe yung steals ng ating both teams on this quarter.
No good on that buzzer beater shot by Beringuela of the Bisca Spartans. Ayan, at dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter with 30 points lead of with 40 points lead of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Dyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami para sa fourth and last quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are now again back here sa the gymnasium sa laban ng CSPC Blue Stallions at Biscast Spartans. 87-47, 40-point lead namamayagpag ang CSPC Blue Stallions. And now, partner, we are on the fourth and crucial quarter of this game.
Let's see kung anong ipapakita ng dalawang teams na ito dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Now on the first sequence, Alpe for the Bisca Spartans pushes to the inside and pass here for jersey number 2 Del Valle on the 3-point shot, no good. And defensive rebound by the CSPC Blue Stallions, courtesy of jersey number 26 now, Belgica.
Dapat yung momentum, partner, ng Biscas Spartans on this quarter ay doble or triple sa ipinakita nila mula nung umpisa ng larong ito. Now, ball possession ng ating Biscas Spartans.
Good chance for them. Now, Alpe for the 3, no good. And defensive rebound by jersey number 14, Belgica. Nagmamadali, libreng-libre.
Wow!
And that's good for that 2 points
Ganda ng layup.
by Belgica for the CSPC Blue Stallions. And speaking of CSPC Blue Stallions, humingi naman tayo ng update from their side. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Amanda to give us an update. Hi Amanda, anong update
Thank you,
natin
Mark
dyan?
and Jasper. After the huddle, Coach Peter told the players to not give any chance to the Spartans. They stick on their plan na huwag bigyan ng bababa sa 10 lamang ang kalaban. They are now on their 2-3 defense and the Stallions will execute their best shots to clinch the game. Huwag makampante. Yan naman ang ipinayo ni Coach Peter bago matapos ang huddle dahil marami pa ang posibleng mangyari at kaya naman pinaalala ni Coach Peter na panatili nila ang magandang opensa sa loob ng hardcourt. Nakikipagsabayan nga sa galing at liksi ang Spartans, kaya abangan natin ang mga susunod na actions. Yan lamang ang updates mula dito sa side ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Balik sa inyo, Mark and Jasper.
Thank you so much Amanda for that update on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayun na nga at sabi ng kanilang coach, Coach Peter of the CSPC Blue Stallions, wag nang bigyan ng chance itong Bisca
Biscas.
Spartans. Wag na nilang bigyan ng chance dito sa fourth and last quarter. Well, let's see kung hindi talaga nila bibigyan. And they are now displaying their 2-3 defense and abangan natin yung mga best shots nila to clinch this game. Ayan, ready na rin yung ating courtside reporter na si Zai all the way from the side of the Bisca Spartans. Hi Zai, anong update natin dyan?
Mark and Jasper, as they start the fourth quarter, this will be their last chance to win their second game. Their adjustments during the fourth quarter are centered on playing the game with passion and dedication. Even if they find it difficult, they will do their best to start the Empire's reign in this league. That's all the updates I have for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai, for that update. Para naman sa side ng ating Bisca Spartans, ayan, this is their last chance to prove and kailangan na nilang ibigay yung kanilang all-out dito sa ating fourth and last quarter para naman maibaba yung kalamangan dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions and hindi malabo na ipanalo pa nila itong ating game dahil may natitira pa tayong 8 minutes and 6 seconds sa ating game clock.
Medyo
And,
mahaba pa to, partner, yung 8 minutes and 6 na natitira sa ating fourth quarter with 93-47 po sa ating scoreboard. Grabe talaga, partner, ang kalamangan ng CSPC Blue Stallions, no?
Ayun, ika nga ng Bisca Spartans na they will play with passion and dedication na lang dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Well, of course, kailangan din nila yung sabayan ng sipag at husay para naman na makuha ang panalo dito sa ating ball game.
And now, back to the ball game. Ball possession ngayon ng ating Biscas Spartans. And substitution was made sa parte ng Biscas.
Now, jersey number 13 for the Spartans, Beringuela pushes to the inside now. Jersey number 30 on the 3-point shot, no good. Now,
Ball possession ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Libreng-libre. Grabe. Libreng-libre ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions on that shot.
that is Pedro Velitario. That's good for 2 points. Now, jersey number 13 pushes to the inside and i-assist. Ayun, at ipinasok na yun ni jersey number 18 of the Spartans. Sabi niya, kung hindi mo kaya, akong gagawa para sa'yo. And that's good for 2 points.
Grabe yung communication pa rin na pinapakita ng ating Bisca Spartans. Kahit na medyo mataas yung kalamangan ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions on this quarter.
46 points ang lamang dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions. With jersey number 14, Pedro Vilitario standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. Good opportunity for the CSPC Blue Stallions to continue their momentum. Ayan, umento na dito ang CSPC Blue Stallions with 6 minutes and 52 seconds remaining sa ating game clock.
And shout out natin partner yung mga nanonood as of the moment sa ating Bukal at Oragon Sports TV Facebook pages. Thank you so much for watching. Jello Platon, Adrian Curtaño, Rom Calanyada, Anmar Oliciano, and Princess Maika Pitogo. Thank you so much for supporting Bukal Season 6 only here at Oragon Sports TV.
And of course, pasalamatan din natin, Mark, yung ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Biggs, Elise Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and of course, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa aming major sponsors. We also have Dinaga College Foundation, Gold Lufa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo Dinaga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Nagayan Travel and Tours, NCFV Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and of course, Bukal Season 6 is powered by Converge Fiber X by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Ayan, special thanks also to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, and of course, Digital Graphics. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta dito sa Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League.
At kanina nga, Jasper, nagpatawag ng timeout ang CSPC Blue Stallions dahil medyo nakakaungos ngayon, nagkakaroon ng momentum ang ating Biscas Spartans on the 4th quarter. We have 6 minutes and 10 remaining here on the 4th and final quarter.
So let's see kung magtutuloy-tuloy yan dito sa ating 4th quarter with that whistle and same ball possession for the CSPC Blue Stallions. First, ayan at foul dito ni jersey number 7 of the Bisca Spartans.
Aiming
Now,
for 3. No good. Now, Bisca Spartan.
that's good for 2 points by Busito. All the way from the Bisca Spartans. Grabe. Magandang bawi for the Spartans here. Now, on the corner, jersey number 19 pushes to the inside and that's good for 2 points. Maagang bawi ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions.
At tumataas na partner ang ating ang kalamangan ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. At the moment, 97-56 po ang nasa ating talaan.
Now, jersey number 30, no good on that 3 points attempt. No hesitation sana yung pagtira niya doon sa 3 points attempt na yun. No? Pagkuha ng bola galing kay Busito, agad-agad niyang itinira for the 3 points pero no good on that attempt. Now, Nianggar pushes to the inside. Now, passes to on the corner. Now, jersey number 11. That's good for 2 points. Grabe. Back-to-back points of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, Beringuela double team here. And a traveling violation ang itinawag dito kay jersey number 14 of the CSPC Blue Stallions. That is Pedro Vilitario.
Grabe. Hanggang sa mga oras na ito, nakikita pa rin natin ang malakas na depensa ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions.
Ayun at nagkagirian ulit tayo dito sa ating dito sa ilalim ng basket. Jersey number 26 of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayun na tinawagan dito ng unsportsmanlike foul. si jersey number 26. Kaya magkakaroon dito ng free throw si Alpe from the Bisca Spartans. No good on his first attempt. Another one for Alpe.
Kailangan bumawi ng ating Bisca Spartans on this quarter with 4 minutes and 41 remaining.
Now, couple of substitution here. Mukhang nagpahinga lang si Bosito for the Bisca Spartans. Pero ngayon, nandito na ulit siya sa ating hardcourt. Now, Alpe, no hesitation. No good on that attempt. And jersey number 18, Benito, no good. Now, jersey number 19, nagmamadali. No good on his attempt. Now, Bosito passes to Beninguela. Jersey number 13 for the 3-point shot, no good.
No good.
Offensive rebound here. Bosito, mid-range jumper, and that's good for the Bisca Spartans. 2 points by Bosito.
Sabi ko nga kanina, partner, yung momentum ng ating Bisca Spartans ay nagsisimula sa mga quarter na ito. Nagsimula siya nung third quarter, nagsimula yung momentum nila nung third quarter. At hanggang ngayon ay tuloy-tuloy yung momentum ng ating Bisca Spartans.
Ayan, at 3 minutes and 47 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Now, jersey number 19 ni Yanggar. Libreng-libre. Buelo-buelo, walang bantay. Pushes to that layup and 2 points for the Stallions. Now, jersey number 14, libreng-libre rin. Back-to-back points by the CSPC Blue Stallions. Kaya naman napatawag na dito ng timeout itong Bisca Spartans with 3 minutes and 31 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. 105-59 ang ating score. Grabe yung lamang dito ng CSPC.
Ang
The
laki.
CSPC is leading by a big margin dito sa ating gameplay.
Almost 50 points ang kalamangan ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions as of the moment here on our fourth quarter with 3 minutes and 31 remaining. Ano kayang gagawin ng ating Bisca Spartans para makaungos, para makaabante, para makalapit sa kalamangan ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions? Now we're back on the ball game. Now ball possession ng ating Bisca Spartans. And out of bounds. Now Blue Stallions basketball. And that's good. That's a good layup from the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Now, Ramos to Alpe on that corner. 3 points, no good. And offensive rebound here by jersey number 20 of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, Diang with that whistle and the 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Diang. Pushing foul by jersey number 11 of the Bisca Spartans. Ayan.
And now we have jersey number 7 on our free throw line. They should not miss this chance. These chances of those free throws. Dahil nakakalamang na po talaga ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions at the moment. 108-59. Now, Bisca Spartans basketball. Bosito.
Magandang team coordination on that last sequence by the Bisca Spartans. Assist by Bosito to jersey number 44, and that's good for 2 points. Now, Diang pushes to the inside. No hesitation. Lumilipad. 2 points for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Grabe yung layup na yun. No hesitation kahit may bantay. Pushes up to the right hand, and that's good for 2 points. Now, same ball possession for the Bisca Spartans na hawakan doon ni jersey number 11 yung bola bago siya makakalabas. Ayan.
Now, ball possession pa rin ng ating Bisca Spartans. Pumasok na si Padua from the Bisca Spartans.
Now, Bosito pushes to the inside and 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Bosito. Ayan, foul by jersey number 20 of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Grabe yung lamang dito, partner, ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. 49 points. 48 rather.
And now on the free throw line, we have Bosito from the Bisca Spartans. They must take advantage of this opportunity. And now, partner,
Ayan at tinawagan ng technical foul dito si Felix Andrew Diang of the CSPC Blue Stallions.
grabe. We are on the fourth quarter pero marami pa rin talagang nangyayari dito sa hard court ng Ano Gymnasium.
That's good for that first attempt by Bosito. And 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Now, Diang. Now, Diang on the outside. Last 2 minutes of this ball game. Pushes to the inside. Diang with that assist to jersey number 20. And a foul ang itinawag.
And now, partner, we have 110-64 on our scoreboard with 1 minute and 50 remaining on our fourth and final quarter. Grabe yung pinakitang coordination ng CSPC Blue Stallions simula ng ating game this evening, partner.
Grabe yung momentum dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Nagka-free throw pa sila dito and that's good for that first attempt. Out of bounds as the Bisca Spartans will take the ball possession. Last 1 minute and 47 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Now, Bosito.
Siguro yung isa sa mga advantage, partner, ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions ay yung coordination nila at yung communication nila when it comes to the gameplay. Kung paano sila nakipag-communicate sa kada player dito sa ating hardcourt.
8-second violation ng tinawag din na sa Bisca Spartans pero no good on that bawi by jersey number 24 of the Spartans. Now, Nianggar from the CSPC Blue Stallions pushes to the inside. Maraming bantay. Jersey number 20. No good on that 3 points attempt. Now, on the corner. No good on that attempt. Now, nakuha yung bola ni jersey number 44 of the Bisca Spartans. Now, Padua. Tinawid ang bola. 1 minute remaining. Now, Galang. No hesitation but no good on that attempt. And miscue here by the CSPC Blue Stallions. The ball will go to the side of the Bisca Spartans. 49 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and last quarter. Now, Bosito.
Hangang-hanga tayo sa dalawang teams na ito kasi ipinamanas nila yung strength, yung stamina, yung opensa, yung depensa at lahat ng strategy na yung mga strategy na kailangan gawin nila on the hard court ay nagawa nila for this game. So kudos po sa dalawang teams from the CSPC and from Biscas.
Well, hindi rin talaga nagpatalo dito yung Bisca Spartans. Talagang binigay din nila yung all-out nila dito sa game na ito for them to prove na hindi sila basta-basta and they are one of the powerhouse team ng Bukal. Ayan, at bago nga itong Bisca Spartans dito sa ating liga. And shot clock is off. Ayan, Bisca Spartans nagbabalik for the new season. Ayan, galing sila sa Bukal Season 1 and 2. Ayan, nagbabalik for the new season. And dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating ball game. 111-66 in favor of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Congratulations dito sa dalawang koponan na ito dahil
Yes,
talagang
partner.
pinakita nila yung best nila dito sa ating ball game. And of course, maya-maya lamang ay makikilala na natin kung sino ang ating best player of the game. Kaya dyan lamang po kayo. Magbabalik po kami only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Thank you, Mark and Jasper. The game concluded and the Blue Stallions claimed their second win. After the efficient gameplay actions of the Blue Stallions, they made it to clinch the battle. And our best player of the game is brought to you by Lemon Residences. Live your dreams, create memories. With 15 points, 2 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals, and 1 block, jersey number 19, we have our best player, John Laiko Nyangar. Ano, ayan, congratulations for being the best player of the Stallions this game. Gusto ko lang malaman ano ang naging routine nyo sa loob ng hard court para manalo.
Also, maraming naging conflict sa training namin and 2 days actually lang ang training namin. Then maraming mga injured. So nag-adjust kami at sinunod lang namin ang mga pinapagawa ng aming coaches. Yun lang.
As the best player of the game, ano ang isa sa pinagtuunan mo ng pansin sa training?
Siguro dahil 2 days lang yung practice, mas naging kayo ako. Nag-attend akong 2 practice kahit pagod sa klase and yun. Sumunod lang ako sa mga sinasabi ng aming coaches.
Okay, congratulations. So ngayon, may gusto ka bang batiin at pasalamatan?
Salamat po sa CSPC community and salamat sa sumusuporta sa pamilya ko, sa mama ko sa Lucena and sa mga kaibigan ko sa Igualdad, sa mga teammates ko, sa coaches ko, and sa girlfriend ko. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much and congratulations, Laiko Nyangar. And there we have it. That is how the Blue Stallions clinched the game. This has been Amanda C. Lazaro reporting only here at Bukal official Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Ayan at nakilala na nga natin ang ating best player of the game. Hatid sa atin yan ng ating courtside reporter na si Amanda. And of course, Lemon Residences, Live Your Dreams, Create Memories. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok. Ayan nga ang ating best player, John Laiko Niangaru, jersey number 19 with 15 points, 2 rebounds, 5 assists, and 2 steals. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok dito sa ating live coverage dito sa One Media TV 48 Naga. I am Jasper Abante.
And I am Mark Christian Amante. Tutok lang dito sa Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.